All right, guys, we got a 2006 Hummer H2, all green murdered out. Beautiful car. Look at that. Custom wheels, everything. These cars are tanks, man. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got a aftermarket high flow cats there and right there. Then it's true dual from the factory all the way back. We put an original Flowmaster 40 dual in. Single out, part number 425403, as you guys can see right there. Then we added 3-inch pipe because it comes out dual out into a single tailpipe. So we cut that out because the muffler was rotted and was rattling real bad. And we just completed the 3-inch out the back and it's dumped back there. As you guys can see, there'll be a link in the description for this Flowmaster, guys. There's the stock muffler that was on it right there, and it actually broke apart on the inside. So you can see where where it was stamped in, it was all rattling and broke. So we took it out, but it's a really clean, beautiful Hummer by our good friend Chris. So he brought it in. We're gonna hook him up. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it.
Uh-oh, you fucked it up.
I don't want to even start.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I heard the exhaust. It is on the manifold. Need to replace it.
That sounds good.
Better?
That sounds
like
good.
it?
Yeah.
He likes it. Again?
That sounds good. It's clean.
They look real good on
Flowmaster 40. Your sound decibels? Again? Right at 96. That's perfect. Again? That's a clean. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds clean. 40 series Flowmaster. Let you guys hear on the inside. Hummer H2 Beast. For the Flowmaster 40 series, dual in, single out. He didn't want it overload. We gave it to him clean. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.